everybody, it is your girl Francine here at a Fairytale Dreams Boutique, and welcome back to everybody that is a follower. And if you're new, welcome. So, as you can see, I have a package here, and I cannot wait to dive into it. But before we do that, if you guys are not already following me on my YouTube channel, please go over there and subscribe, leave any comments, smash the notification bell so you'll never miss a tutorial, review, or behind the scenes from your favorite creative space. So you guys, let's go ahead and jump right on in. Today it's extra special because I'm unboxing a shipment from ASUB and Koala. Yes, the brands we know and love in the crafting world. So you guys, right here, as you can see, I have the double-sided glossy photo paper. Oh yes, ma'am, perfect for my party favors, custom cards, and marketing material. This is gonna add that pop and professional shine that I love. Okay, you guys, here we go. Sublimation paper. ASUB Sublimation Paper. If you've done sublimation, you already know ASUB don't play. Clear transfers, bold color, and consistent results. I can't wait to show y'all how this performs. Okay, let me go ahead and move this out of the way. All right, so now we are on to the next. So you guys, this right here is gonna be like a pet film. And I have never used this before, so I am definitely excited about it. It is supposed to give like really longevity to your photos, and it doesn't fade, but we will get more into that once I do a little bit more research. Here we have our vinyl sticker paper. For sticker lovers, where you at? This vinyl sticker paper is about to take my label game to the next level. Custom planner stickers, product tags, you name it, I'm making it. And here we have the 3D Puff Heat Transfer Vinyl. Y'all, 3D Puff HTV, I've been dying to try this. If you want that raised, bold, touch me texture, this is it. Wait till y'all see it pressed. Oh my God, I'm so excited about it. And last but not least, we have Sublimation HTV. Yes, you heard me, sublimation on vinyl. This means even more design flexibility for dark garments and cotton. I am so geeked up about this. Again, this is a product that I've never used before. I didn't even know that they made this, but I am so ready to dive into this with you guys. So we will be newbies together if you guys have never ever used this heat transfer vinyl for sublimation. So again, you guys, I'm super excited. So you guys, we're going to go over this one more time. We have the sublimation paper, the double-sided glossy photo paper, the vinyl sticker paper, the 3D puff heat transfer, and the sublimation heat transfer vinyl. So if you're as excited as I am, you don't want to miss the upcoming tutorials using these gems. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow me on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube for behind the scenes fun and extra footage. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment below. Want me to test something specific? Let me know. I'm here to help you level up your craft game. And guess what, guys? We're gonna do this together. So until next time, keep crafting, stay magical, and remember, everything is better with a little fairy tale touch. Bye!